So yes guys, I'm currently high globing right now. So I'm using high globe para ma-process yung ibang payments ko from US. So here is my latest transaction. So last June 6, 2025, I withdraw an amount of 135 US dollars. So as you can see, yung rate nila is 55.66, which means sobrang mataas din yung palitan ng dollar to peso nila compared to other payment platforms, because they only have 0.6 FX spread, which means mas mataas talaga yung palitan ng dollar to peso nila compared kay PayPal and Wise or other payment platforms. And as promised, sa mga video ko, meron lang silang base rate or flat fee na 1 US dollar. So as you can see, yung nabawas lang sa aking 135 amount is only 1 US dollar. So with High Globe, the only fees that you need to pay is 1 US dollar. Yung converted amount ko is super close lang sa amount na winidraw ko. So yes guys, lipat ka na kay High Globe and you refer your friends so you both can get $20. That's all.